Here is a before of the space, and here is an after of the space. As you can see, I truly transformed this room by incorporating color, various layers of lighting, different texture, and also different silhouettes of the furniture. Hi everyone, and welcome to Foyr Neo's YouTube channel. My name is Jenna. I'm an interior designer located in Washington, D.C. And on today's video, I'm going to share with you how I use the software to design a space for one of my clients. Foyr Neo offers a variety of features within their software, and it's one that I use for every single client project, and it allows me to bring my client's vision to life and lets them see it before they make the investment to purchase all of the furniture and decor that we're recommending. Now I'm going to show you the space I'm designing for a family of 4. They want this space to be unique to them, but they also want it to be an area where they can gather with their family and their closest friends to celebrate milestones and special occasions. Now let me show you what stood out to me within the space and some initial ideas that came to mind when I looked at it the first time. So here is a before photo of the space. One of the things I noticed were the high ceilings, and I love this because when you're working with a room that doesn't naturally have high ceilings, one of the tricks you have to do as a designer is find a way to make that space feel brighter and bigger. You want to elevate it, and there's some tricks you can do, like hanging curtains as high to the ceiling as you can. That can help you achieve that goal. But for this room, we did not have to do that. The second thing I noticed was that the room is windowless. Therefore, I'm not going to have any natural light to work with in this space. So I have to layer my lighting and make sure I have various light sources accounted for. So that is another area we need to focus on within this space. Finally, the last thing I noticed is that I have limited space for a table. Given that this space is wider but also narrow, a round table is not going to fit here. Instead, my only option is pretty much a rectangular table or perhaps something that is oval shaped. So those are the 3 areas that I noticed right away when I looked at this space, and 3 things that we have to account for when designing it. So now let's turn over to the process to show you how I use Foyr to take this space from looking really bland and not having a lot of depth and dimension and giving it more character and more dimension to the space. So let's do it. So this image contains the initial ideas we have for the mood of the space, and it also has hints of the colors that we want to incorporate. So the area where the family lives is called Laurel. And so I looked up the definition of Laurel. Where does the word come from? And it comes from the Olympic Games. Laurel is a signature for the Olympic Games, and it indicates the victory and the winner. And that's a huge symbolization that I want to make sure is incorporated in this space, because this is a dining space where the family is gathering. Most times they're gathering for celebration and for victory. So I wanted to make sure that this laurel is represented. The way I'm thinking about doing it is representing it through the color. I want green to be the main color within this space, not only because of what it symbolizes, but also green is a color that is very calming and very decisive. When this family comes together, I want them to enjoy a meal in an environment that is calm and welcoming. You'll also see that vibe carry through in some of these other images, including this photo of this dining space. This space is very intimate. You enter it, it has this calming energy, and that is the exact same energy I want this space to have. Then when you look up top, this is actually a photo of an area where the first Olympic Games took place. And so when you look at this photo, what I love about it is how all the colors play well together. Blue, white, beige, and green. And these are colors that I think will play nicely within this space. And then finally, on the bottom right, since they plan to only use this dining room for special occasions, I'm looking at it as a space of fine dining. I want it to be a nice surprise and delight, and just a very intimate opportunity for them to gather with the ones they love the most and have this really elevated dining experience. And so this represents the ideas I have for the space. Now I want to turn over to Foyr Neo so I can show you how I'm going to take my client's vision for the space and combine it with my vision for the colors, the textures, and the overall ambiance. Here is Foyr's interface. When you log in, you're immediately taken to a dashboard. This dashboard lists all of my current client projects, but in this case, if I wanted to start a new one for this dining room, so I'll quickly show you how I can create the walls for this space, and then I'm going to pivot to show you the design that I've created and some of the elements that are in it, which Foyr allowed me to incorporate. But for now, I'm simply going to draw the room, which is one rectangle. I'm not aiming for the perfect dimensions. Instead, I just want to show you how easy this process is to create the room you want. So that is how I created the walls for the space. And this is the shape of the dining room. It's one rectangle. So now I'm going to shift over to the actual dining room design that we created. As you can see with the wallpaper, when you zoom in on it, you can see the texture. So I was really able to show my client how I can incorporate grass cloth wallpaper to add texture and dimension to this room. Then on the bottom with the paneling, Foyr allowed me to carry that paneling throughout the entire room, and all of it looks the same. It looks great. Not only the paneling itself, but also the chair rail that's above it and the trim that's below it. You'll also see this trim detail, this crown molding at the top. This is something Foyr also offers, which I love because I can experiment with different styles of molding. And for this one, we kept it simple, but Foyr allows me to experiment with different types of molding, and I love that. Next, I want to call out the lighting. So Foyr didn't have the exact light I was looking for this sconce, and so all I had to do was reach out to Foyr and ask them if they could create this sconce for me with their 3D modeling service, and it was so easy. They were able to do it, and that's how I got these sconces in this space. The next thing I want to note is the fabric on the chairs. So Foyr had the chairs, but they did not have the color of the fabric that I want for my client. So all I had to do was go on the furniture store's website, take a screenshot of their fabric swatch, and then bring it into Foyr, and I was able to change the color of the chairs very easily. I not only did that for the neutral color chairs, but I also was able to do it for these navy chairs. Lastly, let's talk about lighting. I talked about layering the lighting, and that's what we did. I incorporated recessed lights in the ceiling that can be dimmed. You can make them bright or you can dim them down for a more intimate vibe. Plus a chandelier over the table. This is that signature lighting that's really going to take that space to the next level. And then over here, you're going to see sconces. And these sconces are, again, your accent lighting, and they really help to take that space to the next level and just make it feel more intimate. So my client has 3 options for lighting. They can turn all of them on, or they can only work with the chandelier. That's going to give them that intimate feeling. They can only turn on the recessed lighting and make them as bright as possible. That's going to really brighten that space. And then they can also turn on the accent lighting. When they turn all 3 on, the lights are going to bounce throughout the room and evenly distribute light. So Foyr's functionality made it incredibly easy for me to bring this to life and show my client how every single piece is going to look before they make the investment and buy everything for the room. I always want to make sure that they are completely happy and pleased with what I'm recommending so that once it's set up in this space, they have that same feeling of happiness and joy and excitement as they did when I present this render to them. I'd be remiss if I didn't call out the ability to walk through this space. Not only do I have the option of showing my clients pictures of this dining room, but I can also do a 3D walkthrough so that they can navigate it with or without me to really see every corner and detail that's in the space. And that's one thing I love about Foyr. I can give my clients multiple experiences with the renders that I'm creating for them. Now, just to recap, here is a before of the space and here is an after of the space. As you can see, I truly transformed this room by incorporating color, various layers of lighting, different texture, and also different silhouettes of the furniture. Foyr Neo made this process so easy for me, and it also made it possible for my clients to see everything in the space exactly how it will be set up. What if I told you that the design you've always wanted is just one click away? Well, with Foyr Neo, it is. Try a 14-day trial with Foyr Neo and watch your ideas and your vision come to life. The link is in the description. Don't miss out. Try Foyr Neo for free today.